My goodness, it's been going on all night like this. This is video log number 46. And sooner or later, this storm should blow off long enough for me to go outside and do a little bit of content. I don't think it's going to be a big one today. It's going to be really sloppy out there. So that's how I'm starting this video. Being stuck in here, my everything goes anywhere, anytime little home. And I'm getting tired of being stuck in here because of those reds and yellows and greens that just keep coming and flying over this place. It's 46 and oh, I'm not used to this stuff. I have a break in the storm, and Sky and I are going to try to get a little exercise. I need 800 yards in. It's going to be really sloppy where I'm going to go. I have about an hour's worth of time before the next group of storms come in. I've been inside that little home of mine all day. I've come out just for a short amount of time, but other than that, it's been raining and it's kind of cold. It's a really damp, wet rain. I guess rain is wet, but this is like goes to your bone, kind of cold wet. So I'm headed off now, and I think it's going to be a really short video, but I'm still trying to do one every day. This is 46, a couple more weeks to go. I don't know to make any more, maybe. I don't know. As I was walking down the hill, I noticed a whole lot of mushrooms. I'm not sure exactly what kind they are, but there were a whole lot of them. This whole hillside was just full of mushrooms. It's like dead still right now, right in between this next storm. It's real pretty out here, but I couldn't resist coming down to see this tree, this bush again. I'm gonna find out from Heidi what the name of this thing is. There's no bees on it today. To be kind of the second to the end. We went all the way down, took a look at that crazy flower. I'm going to find out the name of that, and when I find it, I'll post it on one of my videos. I'll take another view of that thing. I'm almost done with my walk, about a quarter mile more to go. Let's go look at the turkeys, and I think I haven't looked to see how much rain we got, so I'll do that and then pretty much call it the day, because the rain's coming in real shortly. I made it back just in time. Well, that will be the end of the video for today, and everything here looks absolutely soaked. And we got this much rain out of that storm, which isn't all that much. Not like the last storm, which is like 4 inches, 3 inches. This is about maybe an inch and a half. About an inch worth of rain. And everything else looks just great. So tomorrow is going to be a bit sunny, partly cloudy, but no rain. So that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching.